Boys and girls, Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV, Yorktown, Virginia. Front kitchen, Grand Design Imagine 2660 BS 2024. Let's get started, take a look. Guys, remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slides in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. Give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Check down in the description for all your specs, holding tank sizes, and measurements. And remember, if you want to come out and see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, stand at the entry door looking in. You see your main slide here, refrigerator, and yes, front kitchen. Your entry door, booth dinette, TV area, those new LED light strips. Master bedroom in the back, that's where we're going to start. You got your queen walk around bed on the slide. You got TV area, second AC, large window and fire escape, all having the blackout roller shades, receptacle, windows that open, soft touch headboard, lights, charging areas all over. Your overhead storage with the shocks. Under the bed, got slide drawer here, good storage, shocks that hold them up. Hanging storage and drawers down low. Nice little area. You can put a little bar stool to sit, put your makeup on. Receptacles, charging port here goes down. More hanging storage, light switch, and your thermostat. Sliding doors do have a magnet to stay shut. As you can see, linoleum throughout. Thermostat number 2 for the living room area. We're gonna skip to the bathroom. You got room here, storage underneath, medicine cabinet, your hot water heater controls, light switch and ceiling fan, towel bar, hanging bar, little cubby hole area here for storage, a nice room around the toilet. You've got retractable shower door, self-cleaning. I'm 6'5". I touch in the skylight. So 6'3" or less, you're gonna be comfortable, but nice bathroom setup. Moving into the living area. Theater seats directly across from the TV. TV's on a swivel arm, so easy access to the hookups. You've got pull cords for your footrest, cup holders, heat, massage, LED, storage, windows that open with roller shades, charging area. In the booth dinette, you got your circuit breaker, fuse panels down low, heat ducts, receptacles. Again, more windows with shades. Storage, we mentioned the TV on a swivel arm. Your booth dinette makes into a bed, so we'll take a look at that. All right, no pedestals, your table comes right out. You can adjust that, go down coffee table height, and that's how you make the bed, which we'll look at in a second. U-shape, or take the ottoman out, which has got storage here, and then you can use that anywhere you like. But that is going to give you, and again, you can remove those. Let's set this up a little bit different. You can remove those backers, and there's a standard booth dinette. 2 butts on each side, very comfortable. Slide it out a little bit, put that ottoman back in there, you get the U-shape. Dropping it down for a bed again. Remove the cushions. Got access there for winterization. You've also got Velcro backers, charging. Flip this lock like so. Once you do that, pull the table, drops right down. So there is the base. Great way for it to travel. Put the cushions back. And then you can travel this way. Which is fine. Or when you're ready to make it into a bed, here are the bottoms. And then you got a bed. Again, take those back cushions off. But very easy setup, breakdown. Bed, booth dinette, U-shaped dinette, travel mode. Moving towards the kitchen area, you've got a nice pantry, which is super deep. Pots and pans drawer. Microwave is at a very good height. 12-volt refrigerator freezer. Charging port again with USB. Receptacles throughout. We'll step back and take a look at this kitchen here. So, skylight with a shade. Those LED lights, the backlights. Drawers. We'll start over here. So as you come in, your compass connect, control your lights, check your holding tanks, awning slides, all from one convenient area. Lights with dimmers. Exhaust for your range does exhaust outside, and that is directly over this 3-burner range with that glass cover that acts as a splash guard. LED lights, oven lights, pots and pans drawer with the pegs to hold your stuff from flying around. Another huge drawer. Keep your stuff in place. Massive. More drawers here. They put in the silverware holder, which is removable, so you can put whatever you like in there. Solid surface. Large stainless steel sink with the cover. Extended spray head. I mentioned the backlight. Window up front. So very nice first Grand Design Imagine front kitchen. But we will work our way outside and take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, your front cap, with LED lights, model number right on the front, 2 20-pound LP bottles under cover, spot for 2 batteries. It will come with 1. Nice little rock guard up front. Dual latches in addition to the key. Gives you a nice secure seal. 2660 is a dry weight of 6,608 pounds. You got battery disconnect, solar disconnect, solar controller, outside shower, your tire link light, nice clean storage area. Your gray tank, you got manual stabilizer jacks. Check down in the link, we'll have a description of those. Slide out up front, nice large windows. Then your pull valve for your black and gray in the back. We got Goodyear Endurance tires. We're looking at 15-inch. In the back here, you've got another storage area. Again, with a magnet. Nice non-skid. Your power cord. We are looking at a 50 amp service, prepped for a backup camera. You got a factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Right up on the roof, skylights, roof vents, 2 Furrion ACs, top of your slides, and you got the 180 watt solar panel. Full length power awning covers both doors. You got a crank down here for your spare tire, and you got a nice sealed underbelly. You got a tube for your sewer hose. Step above entry steps fold right up into the camper. Quick trigger for adjustment on those legs. Got a black tank flush. Support in the middle so your awning tube doesn't sag over time. Got the LED lights. Cable TV hookup and a spray port on this side so you can spray those steps off. Nice large assist handle, your model number, tankless water heater. And then you got the exhaust there for your range. The brand new 2024 Grand Design Imagine 2660 BS. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, as promised with the slide in, you can see you got full access to the refrigerator, freezer, sink. Now you're not getting through here comfortably anyway. So you would be going through the outside door to get into the bathroom. So no issues there. And as for slides in, you got full access to the refrigerator. And then door number 2, you can go into the bathroom.